Driving under the influence of anything is dangerous, illegal, and has serious consequences. Go safely, California.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Santa Barbara County in southwestern California, western Ventura County in southwestern California, until 12:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 9:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, radar and rain gauge reports indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 3 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: heavy rain will produce possible life-threatening flash flooding. Source: gauges reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Large rocks and boulders may fall onto roadways and into areas below steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include West Ventura, Eastern Santa Barbara, Montecito, Carpinteria, La Conchita, Summerlin, Old Man Mountain, Lake Casitas, Miners Oaks, Highway 33 between Wheeler Springs and Solimar Beach. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Here for the latest on the weather. KFI-AM 640. Wake up.